Okay, so once you're signed in, first thing you're gonna do is go to courses. It's loading here. And then you're gonna go to, most likely you're gonna have to click all courses. Then you're gonna go to computer software and engineering or technology. And then you're gonna go to the module section. Do that later. Module section. You're gonna hit this link, Intro to Computer and Software and Technology. Hit that, hit load into Computer Software and Technology, and it'll take you to the online textbook. Then from the online textbook, you're gonna hit the Access drop down, hit Module 1. So you're gonna begin with doing the first project for Access Module 1 SAM Project 1, but this training video is going to help you to do this. So you're going to want to watch this and go through this first in order to know what you're doing here, because this is the training for this project. So you're going to hit this training video, you're going to hit Start New Attempt, and then you're going to hit Start Again on the bottom right. So that's going to load in a new screen. And then from here, it's going to tell you how to do all these things. It says here, how to close a database in Access. For example, the next task is going to show you how to set a table primary key and design view in Access. And then the third one, and so on and so on. It's going to show you how to do each thing in Access. Set a field's data type in the table's data sheet. If you want to know how to do that, what you're going to simply do is hit Observe, hit Play on the...
Click the first value in the date of hire field.
Basically, it's going to walk you through
Click
on how
the
to
Table
do
Tools
every
Fields
single
tab on the
thing
ribbon.
step by step. If you want to speed up the video, you can hit the
In the formatting
multiplier and
group,
hit by
click the
1.5
data type drop-down
times and it'll
arrow.
go a little faster. It's just going to show you how to do
Click
every
date
single
time.
thing. For example, go to the next step by clicking the next arrow. It's going to show you how to rename a field table and a data sheet in Microsoft Access. You hit Observe again, hit Play. It's going to walk you
Double-click
step
the
by
zip
step
field.
like the previous step.
Type zip
It does
code
it
and
all
press
by
enter.
itself. And if you want to practice it for yourself, hit the practice pane, then hit play,
Double-click
and
the
then
zip
you
field.
yourself are going to have to do each and every single step. So hit the drop down, or double click here, for
Type
example,
zip code and press enter.
and I'm typing in zip code just to get practice for this project that you're going to do for me. That's going to help you
The
out a
new
lot.
field name replaces the old name
So if
and is displayed as the
wanna
column
just
heading for that
keep
field
this
in Table Data
open,
Sheet view.
you want to keep this open while you're doing the project that I need you to do, that's fine. Those training videos, like I said, are going to help you out a lot when you're doing this stuff. So then you're going to go back to courses, hit all courses, and go to computer software and technology. Like I said before, you're going to hit this, the link, Intro to Computer Software and Technology. So that's in the module section. Then you're going to hit that. It's going to load in the online textbook. Like I said before, hit the drop down for Access, hit Module 1, and then see here it's showing that you're doing the training also, but that's okay, you can do both. You're going to hit the project, which is the assignment I need you to complete by 11:59 p.m. tonight. Then you're going to hit Start. Now, for some reason, my computer is not allowing me to do it, but you're going to load in the start file first, okay? You're gonna see here it's glitching out for some reason. But here, I'm gonna take you to my laptop and show you. So I'm gonna pop up my laptop so that way I can show you how to do the project exactly. But that's basically how you load it in. Okay, so here I have the assignment loaded in, but I'm gonna close out everything just so I can show you how to do it from the beginning. Now, okay, there we go. Closing out everything here just so I can show you how to start from the beginning. Okay, so back in here, we're back in Canvas. You're gonna go to, actually, you know what? You can actually go to Dashboard. Hit Dashboard. Then you're gonna go to this assignment here, Project 1. While you have the training videos up also, like I showed you, then you're gonna load it into the textbook. Okay, so textbook's loaded up, and it's gonna load up the project. You're gonna hit Start. That's the project I need you to get done. Now if it pulls up this, all you gotta do is hit back, because this is the upload screen. This is not where you wanna be. You wanna be here where it gives you the files you need in order to complete the assignment. So first you wanna load the start file. That's where you're gonna be working in. So it'll pop up in the lower left-hand corner. You load that in, see, access. Alrighty, that's loaded in. You're gonna also wanna load in the instruction file. It's very self-explanatory. So the instruction file is gonna walk you step by step on in order what to do. So for example, most of these instructions begin with renaming the worksheet. So, and what you're gonna wanna do is rename the worksheet right when you first start. So here, my access, for example, it says rename by switching the 1 here to a 2 there. So you're gonna wanna swap the name first. And most of the projects that you're gonna be doing today will show you to do that. It'll tell you to do that. So you can hit Save As, Save Database As, and then here you can rename it. So I'm gonna be switching that over to a 2_2. Boom, hit enter. Should be good to go. Okay. So always change that number first. Hit enable content at the top, and then you're good to go. This instruction file is going to tell you each and every single step what to do. Now let's say you're done with the project. You have support files here, by the way. So if it asks you to insert something, most likely you're going to have to pull it from this file, or you're going to have to download this file first and save it into your computer, and then pull it from your computer. So once you're done, you're going to hit continue. You're going to upload it. Now make sure that you switch that 1 to a 2, because if you keep it as a 1, it's not going to upload. You have to make sure it has the same exact name that it asks you to change in the instructions. If you don't have that name that it asks for, it's not going to upload. You're simply going to hit upload, and it's going to load up your files. You're going to click the right file, and then it'll upload into the uploader, and then you'll hit submit also. See here, it's the expected file name. That's what you have to make sure the file is named as, or it won't upload. So that's basically it. You have to keep that video up in order for you to know what you're doing. So do that and you should be fine. Thank you.